Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters: a charged Meta Quest 3, phone with the Oculus app, and a Chromecast on the same Wi-Fi. First, power on the headset and put it on. Allow it to finish any background updates. Then, open the Oculus app and sign in. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone so device discovery works. Once done, tap the cast icon in the app to begin searching for the Chromecast. This step initiates the handshake between devices. You'll now perform the core connection. In the headset, open Quick Settings, choose Share, then Cast. This tells the Quest to stream its display. Make sure your phone and Chromecast stay awake. The app may prompt a confirmation. Accept it. If the Chromecast doesn't appear, try rescanning in the Oculus app and restart the Chromecast if necessary. Also, ensure the Chromecast firmware matches expectations. Mismatched firmware sometimes prevents pairing. Once the headset shows the selected Chrome, you should now see the Meta Quest 3 view on your TV. Check audio and video sync and adjust volume on the TV. To end, select Cast and choose Stop in the headset or the Oculus app. This cleanly releases the Chromecast. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast, router, and headset in that order. Make sure AP isolation is off on the router and both devices are on the same SSID. If problems persist, factory reset the Chromecast as a last resort. Then repeat the steps above.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.